Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Samsung Galaxy M55. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and now choose Google. Then click on children and family and then click on parental controls. Now click get started and choose child or teenager. Then click next. And now click on add or create account for your child. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And then click accept. Now you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And now you have to scroll down and click next. And now your parental control should be set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.